In this video, I'll show you how to clear the RAM cache on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. This can help improve performance, especially if your system is running slower than usual. I'll walk you through it step by step using a simple method. First, move your mouse to the search icon on your taskbar and click on it. Now type in CMD. You'll see command prompt appear in the results. Go ahead and right-click on it, then click on Run as Administrator. If a user account control window pops up, just click Yes. You should now see a black window with white text. This is the command prompt running with administrator permissions. Next, you'll need to enter a command. I'll also leave this command in the description of the video so you can copy and paste it easily. Move your mouse to the top of the command prompt window. Right-click on the title bar. From the drop-down, choose Edit, then select Paste, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Now the command will appear in the window. After pasting the command, press Enter on your keyboard. The system will now begin clearing cached memory from your RAM. This process should only take a few seconds. Once it's done, there won't be any special message. But your system will have freed up some of the memory used by background tasks and services. That's all there is to it. You don't need to install any third-party software or restart your computer. Thanks for watching.